But now we are going ahead with a very interesting topic and a very important topic, possibilities. In syllogism, possibilities, right? So we have seen rule based one, immediate inferences, complementary pair, and we have solved many problems. But if you come to possibilities, it's a different one. What are all possibilities, how to solve the problems under possibilities, all these things we will discuss. And many of you having a doubt, right, whether these syllogism possibilities can be solved with analytical method. 100% yes. But these analytical method rules, as far as syllogism possibilities is concerned, it is exclusively designed by Turning Point. You can't see these rules anywhere else, any other institute or any other books. So see that one, how much it is important, how easily we can solve the problem under possibilities as far as analytical method is concerned by applying the rules. Now we will see what are all these possibilities, how these rules can be framed, all these things we will discuss one by one. But first of all, we need to know what is the meaning of possibility, right? So now immediate inferences, you do remember, right? What are all the immediate inferences? My immediate inferences are again bifurcated into two, implications and also conversions. Implications means the same subject and same predicate must be there, and conversions means subject and predicate interchange. What are all the implications we have? When everything is there, something is there is always true. Whenever nothing is there, something is not there is always true. That means A is directly implied by I and E is directly implied by O. Conversions, A can be converted into I can only be converted into I, E can be converted into E and also O. These are all the implications and conversions which we have seen in syllogism analytical method under immediate inferences. Now possibilities. What is the meaning of possibility? What is the meaning of possibility? Now these inferences and possibilities, see what is the small variation between these two. If I say, can A be converted into A? What you are saying? No, A cannot be converted into A. Why? Because all black is white. It is true here. It is not true here. So it has to be true in all the diagrams. Then only we need to consider that one. That is what we have learnt, right? But in possibilities, if it is true in any one of the diagrams, we can move ahead with that. So what is the meaning of possibilities? Means all black being white is a possibility. So if A is all white is black, A statement is being given, all white is black, all black is white is a possibility, means whether it is true or not, ma. All black is white is a possibility, means all black is white, is it a possibility here? Yes, but here it is not. That means in possibilities, if it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to go ahead with that one. Are you clear? So A cannot be converted into A. There, what is the rule we applied? It must be true in all the diagrams, then only we need to consider. I can be converted into I, right? I can only be converted into I. Where is I here? So some black is white is true in all the four diagrams. So that is the reason we are saying that I can be converted into I. But here in possibilities, A reverse. What is A reverse? All black is white being a possibility. If it is being given all black is white being a possibility, so whenever A statement is there, all white is black, we do have two types of Venn diagrams. So all black is white being a possibility means if it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to go ahead with that. That is the meaning of possibility, right? All black being white is a possibility. Chances are there or not? Chances are there or not? But chances are there all black is white, can we say that here it is true? It is not true here. But if it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to go ahead with that. So A reverse is a possibility. This is what we are going to discuss now. In possibilities, same like inferences. So we will consider each statement A. We will see that A straight is a possibility, A reverse is a possibility. E straight is a possibility, E reverse is a possibility or not. I straight is a possibility, I reverse is a possibility. Like that, each one by one we will check. Even before moving ahead with the A conversion under possibility, we need to check whether A straight is a possibility or not, or whether we can consider A straight is a possibility or not. If I say a statement, so anybody says a statement as all white is black, all white is black, can we say that all white is black being a possibility? Can we tell or not? Say a statement is being given all white is black. Can we say that all white is black is a possibility? You may be thinking that yes, it is possibility, right? Only right? Right? Is it right or wrong, ma? All white is black is a statement. We are saying all white is a black being a possibility. You can say that all white is a black being a possibility is right, sir, but it is 100% wrong. Why? Because all white is black is 100% right statement. Say it's a truth statement. All white is black, they have given a statement. If this one you are considering under possibility, it is wrong. All white is black is being a possibility means, how can you say a definite statement under possibility? How can you say a definite statement under possibility? Still it is not clear. One more example I will give. Say that Madan is a man. I am giving a statement as Madan is a man. But if you say that Madan is a man being a possibility, if you say that Madan is a man being a possibility, is that statement right? But till now I am confident that I am giving a statement as Madan is a man. But now somebody else is saying that Madan is a man being a possibility. So how many doubts will come, right? So that is the reason definite statement should not be considered under possibilities. Are you clear? Now what we are going to do is straight whatever the same statement is there, I am just putting a hyphen, just putting a dash. That means it doesn't follow, not into mark, it doesn't follow. I am just putting as it is, hyphen. And also for all the immediate inferences where directly follows, so those things we are just mentioning hyphen, because those are all definitely follows means a definite statements. Definite statements should not be considered under possibilities. That is the reason if A is directly implied by I means that won't be considered under possibilities. I am just putting a hyphen there. For all other statements we are considering whether possibility cases are true or false. All these things we will check. My first one, now we are going to check all white is black. All white is black being a possibility. Whenever a definite statement is being given, we should not consider that one under possibilities. That is the reason we are mentioning hyphen here. Another one, can A reverse be a possibility? Whenever A statement is there, all black being white is a possibility. Yes, it is true only. So whenever A statement is there, A straight is not a possibility, A reverse is a possibility. From A statement, can we derive I straight? What is I straight, ma? Some white is black is a possibility. Can we go ahead with that one? No, that is what I am saying. A is directly implied by I. A can be converted into I as per immediate inferences. So those are definite statements should not be considered under possibilities. Are you clear? So those are definite statements should not be considered under possibilities. Now come to E statement. Whenever A statement is there, can E straight be possibility? No white is black. Can we say that one in any one of the diagrams? No. Can we say E reverse, no black is white is a possibility in any one of the diagrams? No. So whenever A statement is there, E straight is not a possibility, E reverse is also not a possibility. Are you clear? It must be true at least in any one of the diagrams, then we can go ahead with the possibility case. Here nowhere it is true. That is the reason we are just striking off. E straight is not a possibility, E reverse is not a possibility whenever A statement is there. Finally, which one we need to check? O statement. O straight. See that whenever A statement is there, O straight is a possibility or not. What is O straight, ma? Some white is not black. Ma, can we say some white is not black anywhere? No, right? Because all white is black here, some white is not black won't come into picture. Can we take O reverse? What is O reverse, ma? O reverse means some black is not white. Some black is not white. Is it true? Some black is not white. This area it is true here, but it is not true here. Whenever A statement is there, O straight is not a possibility, but O reverse is a possibility. So if it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to consider that one. We no need to check that it must be true in all the diagrams. For possibilities, if it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to consider. So for A statement, O straight is not a possibility. That means some white is not black is not a possibility. O reverse, some black is not white is a possibility. So this area it will come. So we need to go ahead with that. For O statement, O straight is not a possibility, O reverse is a possibility. Now are you clear? For A statements, what are all the possibilities we have? Only two possibilities we have. What are all those? A reverse and O reverse. That's it. So just remember, whenever A statement is there, what are all the possibilities we have? For A statement means A reverse is a possibility and O reverse is a possibility. Other than that one, no other statements are having possibilities. Are you clear? Very simple and easily we can remember. Now we will consider E statement. Now we will consider E statement. My E statement, if you consider, can I say that no white is black is a possibility? Just now I told, whenever we take a definite statement, that should not be considered under possibilities. So E straight is not a possibility. Can we say that E reverse is a possibility? When we say that no white is black, can I say that no black is white? Yes, right? In immediate inferences, E can be converted into E. When E can be directly converted into E, why should that be considered under possibilities? Right? We should not. So E converted into E directly follows as per the immediate inferences. So those definite statements should not be considered under possibilities. Now see that A straight. So E statement, whenever it is there, can I consider all white is black? Can we say that all white is black is a possibility? No. Can we say that all black is white is a possibility? No. Whenever E statement is there, A straight is not a possibility, A reverse is also not a possibility. Whenever E statement is there, A straight is not a possibility, A reverse is also not a possibility. Now see that I statement, whenever E statement is there, can I say that some white is black? Can we say some white is black here? No. Can we say that some black is white here? No. Whenever E statement is there, I straight is not a possibility, I reverse is also not a possibility. I straight is not a possibility, I reverse is also not a possibility. Whenever E statement is there, I straight is not a possibility, I reverse is also not a possibility. Now see that, can we tell whenever E statement is there, O straight is a possibility and O reverse is a possibility. No white is black. Can we say that some white is not black? That is definitely true. Why should we again go ahead with some white is not black being a possibility? Not required. In immediate inferences, nothing is there, something is not there is always true, right? So E is directly implied by O, E can be converted into E and also O. That is the reason. So whenever E statement is there, some white is not black is a definite statement, some black is not white is also a definite statement which cannot be considered under possibilities. So whenever E statement is there, O straight is not a possibility, O reverse is not a possibility. Why? Because already E directly implied by O, E can be converted into O. That is the reason I am not putting cross mark here, I am just putting hyphen. Whenever it directly follows, so it is a definite statement, I am just putting a hyphen. Other than that one, whether it follows or not, we are just putting a tick mark or in the cross mark. Now you see that for E statement, none follows. That means no possibilities are there for E statement. Blindly remember, whenever E statement is there, any possibilities based on E statement is being given, simply we need to conclude there is no possibilities for E statement. Directly only one E statement is being given based on which some possibilities are being given. Simply we need to say that there is no possibilities for E statement. Am I clear? For A statement, what are all the possibilities? A reverse and O reverse. That's it. So that means whenever all white is black is being given, all black being white is a possibility. Yes, that is right. Or some black is not white being a possibility. That is also right. That's it. Other than that one, no possibilities can be derived from A statement. So from A statement, what are all the possibilities? A reverse, O reverse. For E statement, no possibilities. Clear? So can we go ahead with the next one? Which is the next one? We need to go ahead with I statement. For I statement, some white is black is there. Directly some white is black being a possibility, we should not consider, right? For I reverse, some white is black can be converted into some black is white, right? Some white is black can be converted into some black is white, because I can only be converted into I. In immediate inferences, I can only be converted into I. That is a definite statement. That is the reason that cannot be considered under possibilities. That is 100% true statements. 100% true statements should not be considered under possibilities. Now come to A statement. My A statement, what is A straight? All white is black. Is it true in any one of the diagrams? Because for possibilities, if it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to consider, right? All white is black. Here it is true. Here also it is true. So whenever I statement is there, A straight is a possibility. Remember, A straight is a possibility. Can we consider A reverse? What is A reverse? All black is white. All black is white is a possibility anywhere. So all black is white. Here it is true. Here also it is true. So whenever I statement is there, A straight is also possibility, A reverse is also a possibility, because all white is black. Here it is true. Here also it is true. All black is white. Here it is true, here also it is true. So whenever I statement is there, A straight is a possibility, A reverse is a possibility. What is the meaning of possibility? If it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to go ahead with that one. We need to consider that one. Clear? Now we will check E statement. What is E statement? E straight, no white is black. No white is black. It is not true in any one of the diagrams. So whenever I statement is there, E straight is not a possibility. Now see that E reverse, no black is white. Is it true in any one of the diagrams? No. Whenever I statement is there, E straight is not a possibility. E reverse is also not a possibility. E straight is not a possibility. E reverse is also not a possibility. Finally, we are going to check with O statement. Whenever I statement is there, can we say that some white is not black is a possibility? Some white is not black is a possibility. This area, right? This itself is true. So some white is not black is a possibility. This area, right? This area, this is also true. If it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to consider that. We need to move ahead with the possibilities. Can we say that some black is not white is also true? Some black is not white. This area, right? Some black is not white. This area, yes, it is true. So some black is not white here. This area, right? This is true. But here it fails. Here it fails. But it is, if it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to go ahead with that. Therefore, for I statement, O straight is a possibility, O reverse is also a possibility. So O straight is a possibility, O reverse is also a possibility. See that some white is not black, it is a possibility. Some black is not white, it is also possibility. So for I statement, what are all the possibilities we have? A straight, A reverse, O straight and O reverse. Easily we can remember. For A statement, only A reverse, O reverse. For I statement, A straight, A reverse, O straight, O reverse. That's it. For A statement, A reverse, O reverse. For I, it will be A straight, A reverse, O straight, O reverse. In A only reverse, A reverse and O reverse. For I, A straight and also A reverse, O straight and also O reverse are the possibilities. That's it. Are you getting? For E statement, there is no possibilities. Are you clear? Can we check the last one? Which is the last one? O statement, right? O statement. Can we consider O straight is a possibility? No. Whenever definite statement is being given, that should not be considered under possibility. So O straight is not a possibility. I am just putting a hyphen. Now see that one. O reverse. Can we consider O reverse? Some black is not white because O cannot be converted. We need to check all the possibilities. So some black is not white is a possibility. Yes, some black is not white. This area. Some black is not white. Some black is not white is a possibility. Here it won't come, but it is true in these two diagrams. Therefore, what we can tell for O statement, O reverse is a possibility. O reverse is a possibility. O straight we should not consider. Why? Because direct statements should not be considered under possibilities. Now see that for O statement, whether A straight is a possibility or not. What is A straight? All white is black. Is it true in any one of the diagrams? All white is black? No, right? Whenever O statement is there, A straight is not a possibility. Can we say A reverse? What is A reverse? All black is white. All black is white. Is it true? Yes, if it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to go ahead with that. So whenever O statement is there, A straight is not a possibility, A reverse is a possibility. So when A straight is not a possibility, A reverse is a possibility. What is the next one, Whenever O statement is there, can we check I statement? What is I statement? Some white is black. So we take I straight. What is I straight? Some white is black. Some white is black. Is it true? Yes. Can we say that some black is white? That is also true, right? If it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to consider. So whenever O statement is there, I straight is a possibility, I reverse is also a possibility. So some white is black is true, some black is white is also true. Here also it is true only. If it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to go ahead with that. So whenever O statement is there, I straight is a possibility, I reverse is also a possibility. So what is the next one? The last one we have E. What is E statement? What is E straight? No white is black. No white is black. Is it true in any one of the diagrams? Yes, here. So no white is black. It is true here. So whenever O statement is there, E straight is a possibility. E straight is a possibility. See that E reverse. What is E reverse? No black is white. So whenever O statement is there, no black is white. Is it true? Yes. Is it a possibility? Yes. Because if it is true in any one of the diagrams, we need to consider. So whenever O statement is there, E straight is a possibility. E reverse is also a possibility. Are you getting clear? clear? It is over. As far as the rules in possibilities is concerned, it is over. We do have some more that we will discuss in detail later. So whatever the statements are there, AEIO, for those possibilities are over. For A, what are all the possibilities we have? A reverse, O reverse. For I, what are all the possibilities? A straight, A reverse, O straight, O reverse. For E type statement, no possibilities. But for O statement, what are all the possibilities? Except A straight and also O straight, all others are possibilities. All others are possibilities. Except A straight and O straight, all others are possibilities for O statement. That is why, if you remember, in immediate inferences, O cannot be converted. There is no rule for O. But in possibilities, everything will come into picture. So except A straight and O straight, all possibilities are true for O statement. Are you clear? So A reverse, E straight, E reverse, I straight, I reverse, and O reverse. Everything will be true for O statement. Everything is right for O statement. Are you getting? Can we just revise what are all the possibilities for A reverse, O reverse. For I, A straight, A reverse, O straight, O reverse. For E statement, no possibilities. For O statement, except A straight, and of course O straight direct statement won't be considered. All other possibilities are true only. All other possibilities are true except A straight and also O straight for O statement. Are you clear? Everybody is clear now with the possibilities. We do have some more that we will discuss in detail. So that is very easy to remember, that we will discuss. As far as AEIO statements are there, these are all the possibilities. So we will see how to solve the problems under possibility cases.